Running a business or being a business owner demands a lot of commitment, dedication, and hard work. It is good enough when you have a great business idea and a fantastic business plan to go with it. But what gives you a better chance of succeeding is having the right team. Choosing the right partners and people who are as committed as you are is very, very important and cannot be overemphasized. In this video, we are going to highlight 5 kinds of people to avoid doing business with. Don't go anywhere. Hey everyone, good to have you back again. Thank you for joining me on Wise Words with Abigail. Here we share inspiring, motivating, and insightful words of change. Today we are really digging into it, so let's go straight into the conversation. So I have a question. If you are one wise person and you surround yourself with 4 foolish people, that makes you what? Not the wisest of them, but the 5th fool. Sounds very harsh, right? But that is the honest truth. In choosing your business partners or team, you need to choose wisely. My advice is think logically, rationally, and not emotionally when making a choice concerning your business partners or business team. Let's look at some of the companies or business that had a very good team. For Facebook, the popular social media platform that we all know, Zuckerberg had Eduardo, Andrew, and 2 others. For BetNaija, an online betting platform ranking the 3rd most visited websites in Nigeria after Google and YouTube, it is Ayo Ojoroye, the CEO, rocking and making things work with his partner Kunle, who is also the chairman. What does this mean? For me, it just simply means that you cannot trivialize the fact that 2 good heads are actually better than 1. So what do you do, or what do you look out for in people when you want to go into business with them? Number 1, when looking to start a business, avoid people who like to cut corners or take shortcuts in order to earn quick money. These kinds of people are not honest, and they will do anything, sometimes illegal things, just to get the money flowing in. They don't care about the consequences. It is definitely a fact that we all want to make money when we start a business. After all, that is the main point of it all. But that doesn't happen overnight. It takes months and years of work, experience, commitment, and, dedication. You start little and you build up from there. Sometimes you might hit a roadblock or run into losses. So you do not need someone who is going to run you down or get you and your business in trouble by engaging in shady or illegal activities. Number 2, when looking to start your business, avoid people who are controlling and over-demanding. This kind of people most likely feel like they are too important and that your business will not succeed without them. They feel like they are the alpha and omega of your business, and without them, you are nothing. They want you to bow at their feet, accept everything they introduce, and expect to take all the glory when the business succeeds, especially since they did not contribute nothing or little to the success. So when you observe these kinds of people, please avoid them at all costs. They are toxic and they just have insecurities. They probably think that your idea is a great one, but they are too proud and they will not accept that you can bring up an idea as such. Be confident in yourself and choose people who will work with you for the best interest of your company. Number 3, when you're looking to find a business partner, avoid people who often disappoint or who are always late to deliver. This kind of people will slow you down and run your business to the wall. This kind of people make promises they cannot keep. They do not live up to expectations. You just keep waiting on them to deliver on tasks, on responsibilities, but they never come through. To run your business and choose a great business partner, you need someone you can count on, someone you can rely on to always come through for you. This kind of people who disappoint, they do not have the same level of commitment as you do. So you have to find someone who sees this business as a priority, just like you do. Number 4, another kind of people to avoid when looking to start a business are negative critics who do not provide solutions. These are the kind of people that are quick to say no, no, no every single time to every single idea. They reject everything without reason. A good critic is someone who will bring value to your business by not just saying no to everything. They will tell you why they are saying no, and where solution is needed, they will provide and suggest solutions to problems or give an alternative way to handle situations. You need solution providers, not negative people. Negative people are not always helpful. They just like to contradict everything. Negative people may not also believe in your abilities or your skills. They may think you are not capable and you do not need them in your team. Number 5, when you're looking to get partners, investors for your business, avoid people who do not bring or add value. For your business, you will need the right network, investors, managers, employees, etc. Choose a versatile team that covers different areas and brings something different to the table. For example, you do not want to employ someone who has the same skills as you do, because you're just wasting resources paying someone to do something you can already do. So it's best to get people who can cover up in areas where you are struggling. Don't just commit or agree to bring someone on your team just because they are your friends or your family member or a colleague from your old job. There are certain questions you should ask yourself. Will they commit their time and resources for the business? Do they have the specific skills you need for the business? Do they have the experience? If I lose this person or fire them in the future, how would this decision affect my business? Use your common sense. Be logical. Be rational in your thinking. Choose people who will bring value to your company, to your business, and help you grow. You do not need everyone who is nice on your ship, because it is not about being nice. Business is not about being cute. It is about getting the job done. It is about providing value and running the business that will be profitable for you. So, if you have the wrong people on your ship, on your boat, it will sink. I advise you to do the smart thing by surrounding yourself with smart people. We have come to the end of this video. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for joining me. Do us a favor and subscribe to my channel so you can access more content and more videos just like this. If you liked this video, you found it helpful, just give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below so we can spread it out to more people. I'll see you again next week. Have a lovely day.